Finished everything at Ford dealership. I fixed all the vehicles they wanted me to fix, so now I'm heading to a different dealership. And normally a day I do 2-3 stops, sometimes 4, depending how busy it is. And I really like this job because I never sit at one place. You're always traveling, moving, people change. Pretty cool.
Hi, my name is Tony Turco. I'm the general manager here at Napleton Autowerks in Cherville, Indiana. I've been using Jonas Dentech for 15 years maybe. He's not one of the best in the business. I can say he's definitely the best in the business, and the reason why is I've got him to take out dents that other guys told me they couldn't. He does jobs that other guys tell me they have to go to the body shop to get done, and he's came out and it looks brand new. So if you need somebody and you're looking for somebody dependable, he's the guy.